Today we're launching React Payments. That means you'll be able to add credit card payments to your forms with 5 lines of JavaScript. Literally. Ever notice how most payment forms look exactly the same? The rise of pre-built solutions like Stripe Checkout and Shopify Payments has made integrating payments easy and secure, but has one major downside. You lose control over the checkout experience. Now it's their brand, not yours, that the customer sees in the final moments of the sale. That's why we're adding Stripe Elements integration to formspree-react. You see, Stripe Elements lets you keep control over the style, and formspree-react handles collecting the data and verifying with Stripe servers. Plus, you can forward your payment data to third-party apps with just a few clicks in the Formspree dashboard. So next time you're adding ticket sales to an event website, or want to collect one-off payments or donations, give Formspree a try. To learn more, check out the formspree-react docs or the tutorial below that shows you how to build a simple custom React payment form. See you next time. Formspree out.